how to automate trades in Kotak Neo using Algofox and Kotak Neo APIs. To do that, we will log into our Kotak Neo account. This is the Kotak Neo account. Simultaneously, we have to go to kotaksecurities.com. And the kotaksecurities.com main website, at the header, you will see products. When you click on the products, you will see platforms. And when you click on platforms, you will see Neo Trade APIs. You have to click on a Neo Trade API and it will ask if you're an existing client. Note, you should have Kotak Neo account, only then the entire procedure will work. If you don't have a Kotak Neo account, then you will have to sign up for a new Kotak Neo account. Now, as an existing client, in the client ID, we'll add +91 and then enter our number. This number should be registered with Kotak Neo, and when we click on register for Kotak Neo, it will ask you for the client ID, email ID and contact number. Note here, the client ID is not your mobile number. To find your client ID, go to your Kotak Neo portal. Then on the Kotak Neo portal, click on your name, then click on account details. On the account detail, it will show you view trading profile. Click on this and here there is client code. I am copying my client code. In my case, the client code is a 5-alphabet code. I'm just going to copy this, come back here and paste it here. Then paste the email address and then the mobile number. And then click on submit. The moment we do that, the form is submitted and we will receive Neo Trade API credential and documentation within 30 minutes. Note, sometimes instead of 30 minutes, it can take up to 24 to 36 hours also, and that's okay. After submitting the form, you will get a mail from Kotak Neo. This is how the mail would look like here. So in this mail, you have a link and then a username and a password and a documentation link. We will first close all the other tabs and click on this link provided in the email. The moment I click on this link, it will ask me to log in. So I'll just log out and show you the process again. So we have to sign in. When we click on sign in, there is a username and a password sent in the email itself. I'll copy this username and password, paste it here, click on remember me on this computer and click on continue. The moment we do this, a portal like this would open up. We don't have to touch anything here. We have to click on applications. This is an application menu here in the header. I'll click on this application and here by default I have created few applications, but to showcase you how to do it, we will do it again. We'll click on add a new application and application name can be anything. For example, it can be Algofox. And then here is a shared quota for application token. Always select as unlimited. If you select anything else, there might be problems in automation. So always select and keep it as unlimited. Application description can be anything and then click on save. The moment you click on save, you will see a panel here where you will see overview, product keys, auth token keys, sandbox keys and other stuff. We will first click on a subscription. Don't click on anything else. We have to first click on subscriptions. The moment we click on subscription, it says no subscription available. At the top of it, we have subscribe APIs. We'll click on subscribe APIs and we will subscribe all the 6 APIs, 1 to 6 of 6. We'll click on subscribe to all the 6 features, that is WebSocket, portfolio, master script file, login and other stuff. And then once all the 6 are subscribed, we will then click on production keys. The moment we click on production keys, we'll scroll down and you will see there is no callback URL, there is no expiry, everything is NA here because we have not generated any production key yet. So if you scroll down at the bottom, there is an option called as generate keys. Click on this and the keys would be generated. And now in this particular key, you have a consumer key and a consumer secret. These two things are important. These two are the actual key and secret. Like all the other brokers provide you keys and secret automatically. But in the case of Kotak Neo, you have to do this entire drill to finally get this key and secret. Now, once you have this key and secret, you have to log into trade.algofox.in and let us say I'll sign in into my account. Here, I'll switch to auto mode and in the trade settings, we'll select broker as Kotak Neo. When we select broker as Kotak Neo, it will ask us for portal user ID, portal password, app user ID, app password, app key and app secret. Note, you have to fill all the 6 fields correctly, only then the token will work in Kotak. So user ID is nothing but our mobile number starting with +91 if you are from India. So it's +91 and then I'll add the number and then the portal password. So this portal password is the same password that you use to log in into your Kotak Neo account. And then there is app user ID. So where do we find this app user ID? It's in your email. This is the same username and password that you have. You have to add here app user ID and we'll go with this password as well. Now we have user ID and password. Then we have to have key and secret. We just generated the consumer key. We'll copy it here and then consumer secret. We'll copy it here and paste it here. The moment we do all of this drill, there is an option called as save changes. We'll click on save changes. I'll click on Algofox account and then click on generate token. If everything is right, then it will ask us a mobile OTP. So this OTP will come to your mobile as well as your email. I am just going to add that 4-digit OTP, click on submit and you see token is generated. Now, the Algofox connection with Kotak Neo is established. In Kotak Neo, I don't have any balance, so account balance is 0. Showcase you the connection. I'll take maybe a random symbol, State Bank of India, and simply click on buy button here. Now you will see it went to Kotak Neo. If I go to Kotak Neo, go to orders, the State Bank of India order was placed and it was rejected because of no funds. If I go in the funds, the fund available is 0. So this way you can connect Algofox with Kotak, and now whenever AMI Broker, TradingView, MT4, MT5, Charting, Excel, Python or any of these platforms would generate signals, they will be automatically fired to your Kotak Neo account.